Hey friends, here we are on Monday. It's a new week. I'm super excited to get started with you. And I want to talk to you about the math that I want you to do for this week. I'm going to start posting videos for you to watch on the Envision math site. And I don't want you to try to do any worksheets or assignments on there yet unless I specifically list it on your assignment sheet. So for this week, just to kind of test out and make sure everybody's able to log on, you can go to the Envision Math site either by using your Madison City Schools bookmarks here and clicking on Envision Math, not this first Envision link. You want Envision Math, or I also have it linked here. You can just click on this and go that way. Okay. Then once you're on the login page, you're going to click sign in. You should have your username and your password from last week. And then I'm going to show you when you log in, you should see September 21st, due date of your next assignment for Miss Lynn's math class. Mrs. McCluskey's homeroom, you guys will see it'll say like Mrs. McCluskey's homeroom math class, something like that. And you can click on this and it will show you two things that I want you to do. One is watch this video about decimal place value. And then two, I want you to do the digital quick check. And I want you to do these in reverse order from how they're posted here. I want you to watch the video first and then do the digital quick check. So you're going to click on the video first and it will pull it up and allow you to watch it. Oh, look, a beautiful peacock. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I'm going to stop it because I don't want you to actually watch the video on my website. I want you to log into your account and watch it. So I'm going to stop it there just so it's, let me see if I can get out of here. Oh, okay. So then after you watch it, it will let you click this green check mark to say, yes, you have watched it. All right, I'm going to pause my video so that I can get to the end of the peacock video. Okay, so you're going to get to this point in the video and you're going to realize that it's teaching you some new skills, which is writing expanded form with decimals. And this is new. We haven't talked about this yet. So this video is going to teach you some new math content, and then I will review this information from the video in our live lessons. Okay, so we're going to keep watching.
Form of this decimal number. The expanded form of this decimal number is written as 2 times 1/10 plus 4 times.
Okay, so while you're watching this video, I would like you to have your math notebook out and I want you to be taking notes. So you should write down the standard form, which is the number form of the decimal, 245 thousandths. I want you to write down the expanded form, where we're multiplying each digit times its place value position in fraction form. And we're going to be talking about this during our live lessons this week. And then I want you to write down the word form. So we're going to start practicing this. Okay. Okay, so I came to the end of my video. So I'm going to click the green check mark button to show that yes, I have watched the video and I've taken notes, and it'll send the teacher a notification that I've done that. And then I need to go back to the digital quick check. Now let me see, how do I do that? Okay, I can just click the back button, I think. Here we go. And then exit. Okay, so it's telling me, yes, I've completed my first assignment, and now I'm going to do the digital quick check. Now, this is where I'm assigning this on Monday. I want to know from you guys if you're able to do this. Does it work for you? Does it make sense to you? Because I don't want to assign you a ton of work on the Envision site only to find out that things are not working. So let me know right away if this isn't working for you. You're going to click on the assignment, click on the digital quick check, and it's going to give me some questions to answer. So this is kind of like, I'm not grading it as a quiz, but this is a chance for me to see like what you understand and what you know about decimals. Okay. So when I look at this number, how is the number 5 and 203 thousandths written in standard form? I know that I have to have a whole number 5 because I see the word and right next to it. And tells me that I'm going to have a decimal point. So I know it cannot be A because 5 needs to be in the whole number position. I'm choosing between B, C, and D. All right, now I'm gonna pause the video because I want to know what you guys would pick between those. Okay, now we've come to this next question, and now they're starting to give me word problems, which is good because this gives you a chance to kind of use your problem solving skills, reading the problem, making a mental picture of what the problem is asking you, and then answering the question. Micah read that the diameter of a certain microbe is this number, millimeters. How should he read this number? Now, it doesn't matter if you don't know what a diameter is or if you're wondering what a microbe is. It really doesn't matter. Really, what they want to know is how should Micah read this number? 354 thousandths is how you would read that. So, in a way, the context of this word problem doesn't really matter, because the question is just assessing whether or not you know how to read this number. So sometimes in a word problem, it's super important to understand and visualize what's going on, and other times it's not as important. Okay, now when you get to the end of the quick check, you can look over, make sure you've answered all of the questions. Do not skip any of these. You can go back and review your answers and make sure you really do want to choose the answer that you selected. And then make sure that you come down here and click this gray submit test. I'm not grading this as a test, but I just want to know if I'm using this as like a check-in to see how you're doing. Okay, so I'm not grading it as a test. All right, so you can see I got 4 right, I got 1 wrong. I can go back and look at the question and try to figure out what I got wrong. So here I actually chose B and it should have been C. So I can go back and review that, and then go back to my score. But this is done. So when I go back to let me click exit. When I go back to my home page, it should show that I've completed all my assignments. Okay. Oh, it's giving me additional practice because I got one wrong. So that's good to know. You'll need to do the additional practice if you make mistakes like I did. All right, guys, hope you're having an awesome day, and let me know if I can help you with anything.